Welcome to day 124 of our school year. We have 56 school days left. All right, let's go ahead and get down our beginning fraction. We have a total of 180 school days, and we are on day 124. We have to think if that numerator 124 is prime or composite. Well, it's even, and the only even number that's prime is the number 2, so it has to be composite. That means we're going to do our prime factorization of both our denominator and our numerator. Alright, here I can divide by 3. I get 60 groups of 3 out of 180. That's even, so I can cut it in half. Groups of 3, I get 10. Divide by 5, I get 2. 2 is prime, so we are done. Here, this is even, so I can divide by 2. Half of 12 tens is 6 tens. Half of 4 is 2. Still even, I can divide by 2. Half of 6 tens is 3 tens. Half of 2 is 1. And then let's see, 31 is prime, so we are done. Let's get down our prime factorization. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2 times 31. Well, it looks like we have 2 groups of 2 in common, so our greatest common factor is 4. That leaves 31 in the numerator, and 3 times 3, which is 9 times 5, which is 45 in the denominator. Okay, let's go ahead and make our groups of 4. Your groups of 4 do not have to look like mine, but make sure you keep your shaded separated from your unshaded, and you have 4 in each group. Alright, so on this side I have 3 groups of 3 in each row. So I'm going to count by 3s, and then I'm going to go count those after. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And then I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 shaded in. Okay, now that we've done our division with our model, let's go ahead and prove it with our algorithm. We're dividing into groups of 4, because that's our greatest common factor. So here the area is 180, and the side is 4. We need to find the missing side. Here the area is 124, and the side is 4. We need to find the missing side. 4 quarters is 100 cents, or $1. So 4 times 25 is 100. Numbers the same, zeros a game. More on top, no need to stop. Numbers the same, zeros a game. The 80 comes up here. 20 times 4, placeholder moves it over a place. 2 times 4 is 8. Numbers the same, zeros a game. Add our partial quotients together. 25 plus 20 is 45. Here, 25 times 4 is 100. More on top, no need to stop. More on top, no need to stop. Numbers the same, zeros a game. 5 times 4 is 20. More on top, no need to stop. Number's the same, 0 is the game. 1 times 4 is 4. Number's the same, 0 is the game. 25 plus 5 is 30, plus 1 is 31. So this side of the rectangle is 31. We still need to check using our inverse operation. Divisor times quotient plus remainder. Divisor times quotient plus remainder. Since our remainder is 0 for both, and our identity property of addition says when you add 0 it stays the same, we don't need to take time to add 0. 4 groups of 5 is 20. 4 groups of 4 tens is 16 tens, plus 2 more tens is 18 tens. 4 groups of 1 is 4. 4 groups of 3 tens is 12 tens. 124, that matches our dividend, check. 180, that matches our dividend, check. So our numerator is definitely 31, and our denominator is definitely 45. Okay, let's go ahead and fill in our data collection page. Alright, trimester 3, week 1, today's date, 3/12/19, and our fraction is 31/45. Okay, starting tomorrow, we have minimum days the next 3 days. So you want to make sure your parents know about that. Okay, let's go ahead and fill in our number line. We did groups of 4. So here's our 4. And the last one we have is 29/45. So next we have 30/45. Both of those are divisible by 5 and 3 and 15. So this is one of our many equivalent fractions to 2/3. Okay, then here we have today's 31/45. So we have 14 groups of 4 days left. Okay, go ahead and put your number line away, erase your worksheet, and thank you for joining me.